Sa ei tulnud siia rääkima täna ja kui tulidki siis ainult kehakeeles mina ka. Sest ma ei viisi väga rääkida enam, võtan jope, tellin takso, hüppan peale sina ka. Täpselt nii, nagu Bonnie ja siis klaid läbi öö, cappuccino lõõna peale tõuseb päike, mina ka. Oh mina ka, oh mina ka, oh mina ka, oh mina ka, osaleb kindla peale välja, mina ka.
I always imagine there's like people that are like producers and singers and everything, one person just sitting in their room mixing everything up. And that sounds like that to me.
Yeah, it is not my style, but the music is really cool. Or like rap, yeah, techno rap.
They're like really chill, and the rhythm is kind of good.
It's quite chill actually, like it doesn't get really faster, and I can't really make a difference between words and a refrain.
Ese gritarito roto, yo sentí como crujía. Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del descansillo. Una voz de la escalera, alguien cruzando el pasillo.
Yeah, I know this one. Malamente. It's so good.
It's not that fast the normal Spanish songs sound to me.
I do like the rhythm, I think it's really interesting. And I think that the rhythm is more prominent than in our songs, probably, because they're meant to dance.
It's to be stereotypical, but the clapping part is especially if you tell me at first that it's Spanish, I'm like, yeah.
It sounds a little bit sad actually, because she's not like so fast and she's like really passionate about it.
Hör auf dich zu wehren, das macht doch keinen Sinn. Du hast ja noch Konfetti in der Falte auf der Stirn. Warum willst du nicht kapieren?
I really like the music and then it's like rappy, talking. I like it.
The rhythm is like more clear because in Spanish songs it's more like a complicated rhythm. And German songs are really like tuck, 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 tuck.
I like this one.
This is something you would use like in films and stuff, when you have the character like discovering the possibilities that they have and like they can be or they change now and like become the cool person in the group.
It doesn't have a style, it's like a lot of styles together.
It also sounds like a party song, so
Yeah.
you could dance to it.
Ich brauch schon Schnaps oder irgendwas. Mama wollte leben in Rom, Mama träumt sich nach Berlin. Aber Mama stirbt in Wien. Ja, ja, da hast du's wieder, gehst aus und legst dich nieder, weil du weißt, man kriegt kein Weißes ohne Geld. Nein, ja, ja, da hast du's wieder, nein, nein, doch nicht schon wieder, weil du weißt, man kriegt kein Weißes.
What do they say?
This is more happy vibes.
It does sound like something like the pop, folky, I don't know, like those type of songs that are really popular right now. Just like the feel-good songs that you listen to.
I can understand it for like 90%. Sometimes he's changing the words a bit and I'm like, it's not German anymore.
Viikonpäiviä on mun mielestä ihan liikaa, kun joutuu herää aikaisin ja yksin keittää kahvia. Mut teen sen siksi, et sä saa mut muistamaan, miltä sä tuoksuit aamuisin ja sait mut tuunit skippaamaan.
Maybe for like a friends reunion to put it like, yeah. It's really slow, really relaxing.
Well, I feel like you would listen to it when you were like a teenage girl and you have the aspect to it of having like a hot guy there.
It feels like he's telling a story, a sad story.
Yeah, I think it seems like he's talking about unrequited love or something.
And you can hear like the electronic beats in it.